All right, this video will be how to connect your bow to your Mini Adder version 2. So what you want to do is, I'll leave that connected. If you look down here, you have these two pieces. So this will be probably in a bag somewhere. What you want to do is take your bow and you want to slide it through here. Starts out with a little bit of force. Don't worry, you're not going to break anything. Just do it kind of gently but forceful. Once you get it in there, you're going to see the two lines that's there. You want to try to keep those in the middle. And what I will do, little piece of rubber patch back there. You can slide that behind just to stop this little bit of vibration dampening. And trust me, without that, you'll feel it. And then what you want to do is you put the screw there, and you put this piece, so this is the lock piece. The nut will be in there also. So what you want to do is get that lined up, and then the screws will be inside. You'll have two of those. You definitely got to make sure, whoops, wrong side. Don't do that. So what you want to do is take that, and there we go. Get it started slowly. Now for me, here we go. Getting it started kind of slowly. And of course, I'm going to cheat a little bit. So what you want to do is kind of make sure that you're hitting. So if you do use a drill, sometimes it's good to use a hand drill. But if you're using a drill, take your time. You'll always know if you're not in the hole because you'll see this kind of separating a little bit. So if you do that, make sure you back out and then line it up. Just go in there. Just go in there. Always keep your drill kind of low. You don't want to strip these plastic out, although it's going into a nut still. All right, there you go. So then that's one end. Then you do the same thing with the next one. I had another wrench here, but I don't know what happened to it. Right. You want to get that started. There you go. Died on me just in time to finish it out. So then, with that said, you got the bow there. Then you want to take, well, of course you gotta get the proper sets. Then you'd want to screw the set screw to the bow. Still kind of, if it's not all the way tight yet, make sure you kind of slide it over to where it's even. Kind of, yeah, right there in the middle to where the two lines get them perfect to where they're like perfectly balanced on each side. And just tighten this up, not too much, just to where it feels a little snug. And that's all you need. Then last, this closes up right here. And then you just put that there. Right now, I'm using a regular screw, but it'll have a set screw like this, a thumb screw, to where you'll be able to just screw it out by hand. But until then, you just take your screw, and then you put that in. working with the camera up top, so that's why I'm doing a couple of things a little bit awkward. These are long screws. And my drill is dead, so probably speed this part up anyway. There we go. So now that is on. And also, this is how you get prepared to connect your string. Now there's many tutorials on YouTube that show you how to connect the string, because if you have someone there, that if there's two people, that's always easier. I usually put it against my chest and I bend it back, and then I have someone just connect the string. But that's basically it. When you're ready to connect the string, this opens up. Just take the string, connect it on one side, then they connect it on the other. You pull it back, connect it on the other. Close it back up, then run your thread screw back through.